Hello everyone, this is Ahmed Mahmoud from DataMindAI, and this is a quick overview of Lakeflow Connect. And today we are going to look at the architecture of the Lakeflow Connect. And of course, Lakeflow will be linked to always you link all the objects of Databricks to Unity Catalog. So Unity Catalog is a unified governance which is in Databricks, and it controls the credentials, governance, and lineage, and also centralized security, metadata, and access control for the entire uh, pipeline. Yep. So the pipeline, everything as the metadata, the security, access control is registered within the Unity catalog, and we are going to see how it is registered and how to query the Unity catalog in a different setting. Now, the pipeline, as it were, is the flow of data or the component or the architecture. Call it any name you like. So the lake flow have like four components when you try to uh, configure it. So first, of course, you have the source database, and the database, the source could be on premise or it could be cloud. The database could be SQL, suppose SQL, Microsoft SQL, MySQL, Oracle, and SharePoint. All of them, or other as well, Salesforces, and so on and so forth. There's different kind of sources which is supported by this Lakeflow Connect. And then what happens is like from the source, yeah, you move it into the Unity catalog volume is called, as a file. So that's what you do. So the process, the compute, the engine which moves that one is called ingestion gateway, and it uses classic compute, and it connects like and extracts data from the source and then put it into staging and the state area or into staging area. So, but and when it is moves the data, it also supports CDC, yeah, and then it put it there, and then from there, another process take over, yeah. So the data now is in the Unity catalog volume as a file, and the engine which had been used is classic compute via this ingestion gateway, and the movement of data is from the source. The data have moved to the staging. Now, this has been finished. Now, another process take over, which is the ingestion pipeline. The pipeline now start working. So the pipeline now, which is as an engine, and it depends on the serverless compute. So it transforms and writes to the optimized delta tables. Yeah. So it will take it from the volume, Unity catalog volume, into delta table. Again, the delta table is also under Unity catalog. And all these streaming batches and is supported, and also the Delta Lake is governed, and analytic ready data is there, and you can take it from there and use it. Now, the thing which happens here is like there's three main uh, features for Lakeflow Connect. Yeah, one is it is efficient CDC. Yeah, so native change tracking, bin log for example, MySQL, archive log for Oracle, for example, and then um, the when it extract data from the source, it doesn't impact the source system, which is very important. Yeah, there is a automatic checkpoint management. So and then you have which helps this automatic checkpoint management helps like to resume from last position on failure. If there's failure, for example, if you have 100 process and you are in 57 And then if the process fails, it doesn't start from the beginning. It starts from the place where it failed. Yeah. So this efficiency DC is one feature of this Lakeflow Connect. The second one is parallel, yeah, like snapshots. Like for example, if you have um, something called intertable parallelism, which is multiple table moving data, multiple data table together, and also if the table is big, it will divide into chunks and start moving the chunks together as well. So there's two one. If there's multiple table or big table, it divides into partition partition them in order to move them in parallel. Yeah. So you will have like concurrent historical and CDC loads happens together and optimize it for larger scale ingestion. Yeah. So this is again a second feature. And the third one is like automatic checkpointing, like the CDC position tracked in staging volume, snapshot resumes from last batch. No, yeah, no manual state management required, so built-in retry and recovery logic. So this is an important feature. These three features an important one. That's why Lakeflow Connect is efficient and data engineering friendly. Thank you for listening. I hope you have enjoyed what I have just given you today, and see you next.